Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here I will be solving question number 17 of exercise given in page number 112 of chapter 9 Gravitation. Let us see the question now. Here the question is that a stone is used to falling on the ground from the top of the tower whose height is 100 meter, and at the same time another stone is projected vertically upward from the ground with a velocity 25 meter per second. Calculate when and where the two stones will meet. So for that we need to draw the diagram. Here is the ground surface and I consider a tower. This tower top is here. Now a stone, I am considering stone. This is stone 1 which used to fall from the ground, from the top towards the ground, and the height of the tower which is given as 100 meter. At the same time another stone, this is stone 2, which is projected vertically upward from the ground with a velocity. Its velocity u is given as 25 meter per second. Now we need to calculate when and where the two stones will meet. Let us consider both the stones will meet at this position. This position is P, and for stone 2 the distance where the stone meets the stone 1 is x meter, and the distance where the stone 1 meets the stone 2 will be 100 minus x meter. Now take both the cases for stones. The first one is stone 1. Stone 1 is here on the top of the tower, so initial velocity is 0 meter per second. The height, or we can say where the stone 1 meets the stone 2, that is at position P, the distance or the height I should consider, h or s I can consider, is 100 minus x meter, and it takes time t second. Now we have the formula s equal to ut plus half at square or half gt square from Newton's second law of equation, that is Newton equation of motion. And the g value here, it will be taken as 9.8 meter per second square. Here the s is 100 minus x meter, u is 0 meter per second, t is t second, plus half g value will be 9.8 meter per second square, and it will be t square. This part becomes 0. It is 100 minus x equal to it will be 2 1 2 to 4.90. So it is 4.9 meter per second square multiplied with t square. We have to slow down here. Now let us go for the case 2, that is stone 2. Stone 2 is thrown vertically upward, so its initial velocity is given as 25 meter per second. It reaches to a height x meter, that is x or h we can say, it is given as x meter that we have considered. Time it has taken, let it be t second, because both are reaching to the same position, so it has taken time as t second. We have second equation of motion, s equal to ut plus half gt square we need to take G value as minus 9.8 meter per second square, because the stone is thrown vertically upward, which is against the acceleration due to gravity. So that's why it is taken as minus. Now put the value. The S will be your x meter, equal to U value is 25 meter per second, T is given as T second, plus half G value is minus 9.8 meter per second square, and T value is T square. Now X will be equal to 25 T meter per second plus minus 4.9 meter per second square multiply with T square. Now we can just use the x value and equate. We are putting the x value here in the first equation, so it will be 100 minus x value is what, 25 T meter per second minus 4.9 meter per second square T square, bracket close, it will be equal to 4.9 meter per second square into T square. Now minus 1 is multiplied inside the bracket, it is 100 minus 25 T meter per second minus 1 is plus 4.9 meter per second square into T square equal to 4.9 meter per second square into T square. Now if this value goes this side, it becomes 0. It will be now 100 minus 25 T meter per second equal to 0. So it will be 100 equal to 25 T. Now T will be equal to 100 upon 25, 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja. So finally we get as T as 4 second, means both the stone will meet together at position P at 4 second, after 4 second. We need to calculate the uh, position also. So for position part, we can calculate here. We can put the T value in any of the equation and get the X value. So let us consider this equation as equation 1. So 100 minus X equal to 4.9 into T square. T square is what? 4 square. So 100 minus X equal to 4.9, 4 4 is 16. So it will be 100 minus X, 4.9 multiplied with 16, it will be 78.4. Now it will be 100 minus 78.4 equal to X. If it is like subtracted, it will be 21.6 meter. So X will be 21.6 meter. So the distance or the height at which both the stones will meet is 21.6 meter, and both the stone will meet after 4 seconds. So this is how we will solve this question. Hopefully all the students will get the steps involved in it.